guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing so good today. But yeah, anyway. So, before I get into this video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for being patient and waiting for me to upload a video on my channel. It's been a long time, trust me, yeah, I know. It's been almost a year since I've uploaded something on my channel, and that is because I haven't had the chance to do it, but I hope you guys understand. So, in the comments down below, tell me what I can do for this channel. Fortnite, let's see what else. Fortnite, Minecraft, Roblox, anything, and I will do it. And even if you just want me to do a reacting video to something that you guys think is really funny and will be really good for the channel, comment it down below. And yeah, sorry this video is just really short. I just wanted to tell you guys, like, I'm back. I will be doing videos, don't worry. But yeah, that's really all. By the way, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the bell. Yeah. And go subscribe to the channels I will link down below in the description. And hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as I told you, go comment down below what I should do for the channel. And anyway, see you guys next time. Bye!